Welcome to Auto Big 5. Get ready to experience compact luxury and smooth performance like never before. This is the Toyota Motorhome camper van, a masterpiece of smart engineering, elegant design, and pure road trip freedom. Welcome back to Auto Big 5, where we explore the most exciting vehicles redefining the way we travel. Today, we're diving into Toyota's perfectly balanced camper van, a blend of innovation, reliability, and comfort on wheels. From the very first glance, the Toyota Motorhome camper van stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic body and futuristic stance. Slim LED headlights and a chrome-accented grille give it a bold, modern look, while roof-mounted solar panels keep your adventures eco-friendly and efficient. Add in the stylish alloy wheels and you've got a van that's both adventure-ready and city-friendly. Despite its compact size, the space inside is surprisingly generous, designed for long journeys and unforgettable memories. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cozy, luxurious living area that feels more like a modern lounge than a camper. Soft recliner seating, ambient LED lighting, and a wall-mounted smart TV turn every drive into a comfortable escape. Panoramic windows flood the interior with daylight, making the space bright, open, and inviting. The kitchen setup is small but brilliantly functional, equipped with a built-in refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and stainless steel sink. Everything you need to cook your favorite meals on the road. Elegant wooden cabinets and a polished countertop add a homey warmth to your travel experience. Even the bathroom has been designed with care, featuring a compact standing shower, eco-friendly toilet, and a clean vanity mirror. It's modern, space-efficient, and perfect for long road trips where convenience truly matters. In the sleeping area, you'll find a soft double bed with warm lighting and storage drawers underneath, while a skylight above lets you fall asleep under the stars. The perfect touch for peaceful nights after a long drive. The driver's cabin proudly carries Toyota's signature touch with premium leather seats, a digital touchscreen dashboard, and intuitive navigation controls that make driving effortless. When it comes to safety, Toyota leaves nothing to chance. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking that keep you secure mile after mile. Powering it all is Toyota's efficient hybrid engine, engineered for smooth performance and exceptional fuel economy. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring remote mountain passes, this camper van delivers a quiet, powerful, and refined drive. At its core, the Toyota Motorhome camper van is about freedom. The freedom to explore, live and dream wherever the road takes you. Compact yet luxurious, efficient yet powerful. It's a home, a vehicle, and an adventure, all in one beautifully designed package. So what do you think? Could this be your perfect travel companion? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to Auto Big 5 for more exciting reviews of the most innovative camper vans and motorhomes around the world.